Please visit www.sensebusiness.co.uk for more useful tips. What is a business? The economy is divided into different business sectors, and the businesses within them exist to provide goods or services. All businesses have inputs and outputs and must add value during production. Business is any organization that makes goods or provides services. There are many types of business in the UK. These range from small firms owned and run by just one self-employed person through to large companies which employ thousands of staff all over the world. Goods are physical products such as burgers or cars. Services are non-physical items such as hairdressing. Customer needs are the wants and desires of buyers. Nearly 500,000 businesses start up each year. A business startup is a new firm operating in a market for the first time. The vast majority of businesses are very small and operate in the service sector. Businesses buy the products they need from suppliers, firms selling products to other businesses and sell to customers. The individual who uses the product is called a consumer. Sometimes the customer and consumer are different people. For example, parents buy a pen for their child to use at school. Businesses sell to customers in markets. A market is any place where buyers and sellers meet to trade products. This can be a high street shop or a website. Businesses are likely to be in competition with other firms offering similar products. Adding value. In order to create goods and services, a business buys or hires inputs such as raw materials, equipment, buildings, and staff. These inputs are transformed into outputs, called products. These products are goods and services used by consumers. Production is the business activity of using resources to make goods and services. A business adds value when selling price of an item produced is higher than the cost of all resources used to make it. Think of a pair of designer sunglasses which sell for £100. If the cost of the materials, employees, marketing, and all other inputs used in making one set of sunglasses is just £20, then £80 worth of value has been added by the firm during production. Primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. There are three main types of industry in which firms operate. These sectors form a chain of production which provides customers with finished goods or services. Primary production. This involves acquiring raw materials. For example, metals and coals have to be mined, oil drilled from the ground, rubber trapped from trees, foodstuff farmed, and fish trawled. This is sometimes known as extractive production. Secondary production. This is the manufacturing and assembly process. It involves converting raw materials into components, for example, making plastics from oil. It also involves assembling the products, for example, building houses, bridges, and roads. Tertiary production. This refers to the commercial services that support the production and distribution process. For example, insurance, transport, advertising, warehousing, and other services such as teaching and healthcare. The chain of production shows interdependence. Firms rely on other businesses in different sectors for raw material, components, or distribution. Please visit www.sensebusiness.co.uk for more useful tips.